Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss an important question from the pair of linear equations in two variables. And the question is, two women and five men together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while three women and six men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. Remember, it is important for competitive exams also. So how to start it? Let the number of days taken by a woman alone equals to x. Now to frame equation, here we will use unitary methods. So work done in x days, because one work is there, so work done in x days will be equals to 1, and therefore the work done in 1 day will be 1 upon x. Remember, there are so many shortcuts also, but here we are using usual method because this question is important for CBSE exams also. So let number of days taken by a man alone equals to y. So to frame the relation between these two variables, again we will use unitary method, that is work done in y days equals to 1, because only one work is there, and therefore work done in 1 day will be 1 upon y. So now let us see the conditions of the question and let us frame equations out of them. First condition is two women and five men can finish an embroidery work in 4 days. So the work done by one woman is 1 upon x. So the work done by two women will be 2 multiplied by 1 upon x. Same, the work done by one man alone is 1 upon y. So the work done by 5 men will be 5 multiplied by 1 upon y. So the work done by 2 women and 5 men in 1 day is 2 multiplied by 1 upon x plus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y. So in 4 days it will be 4 multiplied by the given equation and will be equals to 1 work, because only one work is done in 4 days. So let us simplify it. Take 4 to the right side and your equation will be 2 multiplied by 1 upon x plus 5 multiplied by 1 upon y equals to 1 upon 4. And let us name it equation number 1. Now same way we have to frame equation number 2 for the second case, that is 3 women and 6 men can finish the work in 3 days. So it will be 3 multiplied by 1 upon x plus 6 multiplied by 1 upon y, and they can complete in 3 days, so whole multiplied by 3 will be equals to 1 work again. Take 3 to the right side, so 3 multiplied by 1 upon x plus 6 multiplied by 1 upon y will be equals to 1 upon 3. This is your second equation. Now let us find out solution for both of the equations. So remember, this is the case of equations reducible to the pair of linear equation in two variables. So these are our equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let us reduce them by taking common term equals to some other variables. So let 1 upon x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Remember, 1 upon x is common in both equations and 1 upon y is also common in both equations. So first equation will become 2a plus 5b equals to 1 upon 4. Means replace 1 upon x with a and 1 upon y with b. Same in second equation, it will become 3a plus 6b equals to 1 upon 3. Use elimination method. The coefficient of a is 3 in equation 2, so multiply equation 1 by 8, and coefficient of a is 2 in equation 1, so multiply equation 2 by 8. So 3 multiplied by 2a will be 6a, 3 5s are 15b, and 3 1s are 3 upon 4 is your first equation, and 2 3s are 6a plus 2 6s are 12b equals to 2 1s are 2 upon 3. Subtract them. Now you can see that the coefficients of a are same. So 6a minus 6a will be 0, 15 minus 12b will be equals to 3b, and 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3 will be equals to c. LCM is 12. So 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8 upon LCM is 12. So 9 minus 8, 1 upon 12 means 3b will be equals to 1 upon 12. Now find out the value of b. Take 3 to the right side. It is in multiplication of b and it will go in divide. So 12 is already in divide, so it will become 12 into 3, which is equals to 1 upon 36. Now to find out the value of a, replace the value of b in any of the equations. So I am replacing in equation 1, it will be 2a as it is plus 5b, the value of b is 1 upon 36. So 5 into 1 upon 36 equals to 1 upon 4. Now 2a equals to 1 upon 4 minus 5 1 are 5, that is 5 upon 36. So 2a will be equals to, the LCM is 36, LCM of denominators, and 4 9s are 36, so 9 1s are 9, and 36 1s are 36, 1 5s are 5. So 2a will be equals to 4 upon 36. And from here a will be equals to 2 will go in divide, so it will become 4 upon 36 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 18s are 36. So the value of a is 1 upon 18. Now come back to your substitutions. You took 1 upon x equals to a, and therefore 1 upon x will be equals to, the value of a is 1 upon 18. So 1 upon x equals to 1 upon 18. Take reciprocals, x will be equals to 18. In same way, 1 upon y equals to b and b equals to 1 upon 36. So 1 upon y will be equals to 1 upon 36. Take reciprocals again, y will be equals to 36. Hence, you can say that the time taken by a woman alone equals to 36 days and the time taken by a man alone equals to 18 days. Thank you and keep smiling.